here is my experience watching Frozen 2 in theaters opening night. I think I watched it opening night, but I was really lazy, so this video is super late. So here is me buying candy at the drugstore to sneak in my bag to the movies. Here is me arriving at the movie theater. Here is me illegally filming the movie. It had some pretty weird trailers, like as you're seeing right now. It was like a bird spy proving that the birds do work for the bourgeoisie. How do you even say that? I can't pronounce any words. It also started with the most aggressively heterosexual scene. It was like Anna talking about like a prince or whatever. There were some cute parts of the movie, especially Olaf. Olaf made the movie. He was really cute and good. Oh yeah, also they had like water scenes, and I felt like the ocean looked really realistic and pretty, so I feel like they did a really good job on that. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Is this mean for me to say? I feel like it was like a mediocre movie. I feel like it wasn't that good. The Olaf scenes were really good though. I feel like without Olaf the movie would have been like bad, but like Olaf made it good. But anyways, that is my review of Frozen 2. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. Add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back. And my goal is to hit 30,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's all I have to say. So goodbye.